broadcasting, that's what's up.
Yeah, they haven't even started. Eddie's got it all figured out here.
Here, now they're starting.
Now they're starting on this side of the street.
Do you have like night vision goggles on, or how, what are you looking at, Navy SEAL? What do you see?
I saw the spark of the match.
Is that a special app on your phone that you're looking through? This us? This us?
I gotta tell you, it's a little anticlimactic.
This us?
That does it.
Oh, here we go.
That was.
Now we go. This is the finale, probably.
Take cover! Take cover!
You're watching, Eddie, watch it in real life.
I am.
Oh, look at that.
Fantastic! Woo!
Grab it, grab it, grab it,
Oh,
grab
yeah,
it.
yeah,
One more.
Starbender, cut them off.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I've got it.
They're beating us, guys. Come on, step it up.
Oh, more people coming.
I don't believe it.
No. Somebody has a light in front of the other light.
Drive
You know what? They've emailed their friends to come and see the show, I bet you.
All right, everyone on 3.
They have.
Ribbit!
They have
You interrupt the fireworks, you almost kill a rabbit.
they've emailed their friends. Now he's on the roll. Oh my! That is high! Whoa!
There you go, Dad, right over there.
Whoa!
There goes the move the picture off the wall. Look at it all up there. It's still up there. Holy
Okay, like, there you go, Dad, right over the house.
Is that awesome, boys, or what? There goes the umbrella.
Those ones are my favorite. The car is like,
This car's back.
close the sunroof! Close the sunroof!
We're going to have that in our hair.
It just started.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, they're awesome, aren't they? Absolutely. Here he goes with the. This must be the last few.
No.
He's moving along, moving along.
Are you kidding me?
We do that one.
That was sick.
Awesome. The big ones are going.
Oh, here we go.
No more of the girly ones.
Ready for this?
Wow.
That was cool.
Look at that.
That goes forever.
That is so cool.
I think it's cool.
Wait for it. Oh, I love that
That was
one.
gonna boom, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's causing
Oh!
Went off.
Holy crap! Did you see that guy stuck his arm in there right at the last second?
I know.
Note to self.
He's not going to be hearing anything. Or she.
Where does he get them?
How do you make it so
Oh,
I know.
they're pyros by profession.
Are they?
Yeah.
Costco. Gets them all at Costco.
Make their own. Make
They
their
spent
own.
like $6,000.
It's crazy, like where he could get that.
They were asking for handouts
Yeah.
today for the
I'm the one that's what?
How do they know what they're doing? Where'd they learn that? It's kind of a,
like?
Trial and error. Just ask Three Finger Jimmy.
Yay!
Wow. That one didn't go as high as they intended.
That one went in the yard.
You see it bounce right there. Look at.
Good cover! Oh, you guys made it! You made it!
That's how high that was supposed to be.
That guy in that car's like,
Where did I go?
oh my god.
Are they enjoying it?
yeah, they're all spooning.
It's like a hammer to your temple.
Hey boys, do you love it?
We've got like 30 people.
I think they're gonna come every year.
Oh, I thought that was yours.
Whoops! I love it when it does.
Still more.
I know, we're just watching this.
I wonder what they can do next.
Oh, yeah.
They really are. More.
Hey, ho, let's go.
Well, they seem to have an equipment malfunction. That could be a problem.
How many guys are working down there to shoot?
Four. Do they wear goggles and stuff?
I got the whole bottle.
No, it doesn't look like they're wearing goggles.
They're crazy.
That was pretty.
That was cool.
Let me see. Oh my God. Whoa.
Oh, that's gonna catch on fire. Oh, Jesus, can't be good.
Wow.
Oh, boy. Oh.
Aren't they pretty?
All right.
Looks like glitter.
So pretty.
No, it's gonna be in everybody's lawn down there. That'll be in your lawn. Whee! Their own grass is going to have some crap.
Wow, look at that one, man. Look at that.
That's awesome.
That's cool.
That one's
Yeah,
lingering.
yeah.
Yeah, that is
Look
really
at that.
Tinkerbell.
Oh.
I see that.
Oh, dude, we own you. You got nothing.
Wow.
That's it. That's pretty good.
Okay, that's it. Go home. Okay, just checking.
I think that's it.
No.
He said yes. There's
That must be, that's the finale, right?
No, he just lit
Jason
early.
couldn't even like the last one.
That's the fanatic.
I love those.
I hate those. Those give me post-traumatic stress.
Were you in Nam?
Totally. Can you imagine hearing that all the time?
They hurt your eardrum.
They had no
People are
idea you
crazy.
just got back from Afghanistan.
There's still more.
Wow.
It's lightning.
That's cool.
Look at all this stuff up in the sky. Look at that. It's all floating up there. It's got to come down somewhere.
Planes going by. Like.
Yeah.
Yeah, does he have to get like airspace clearance?
Those are fireflies.
You imagine a small planes flying around, you know, seeing all that. They think they're being attacked.
Yeah.
No. No, it's disturbing me a little bit.
Stuff's still floating.
You're going to have a lot in your hair.
My hair is going to be singed.
It disintegrates by the time it comes down, doesn't it?
Well, not if you're seeing it on your lawn.
Watch it under the light.
I know.
That's a finale.
That has to